When I first looked in the mirror, I cried. I cried because I was so happy.
Today's typical restorations are extremely time-consuming to sculpt by hand. This old method takes weeks of skilled labor and several dental visits. At Perfit, we do restorations differently. Our passion is helping people smile. Our team of experts use the most advanced technology and our patent-pending process to create digital dentures. What does this mean for you? Your teeth will be fully customized. We don't use any stock denture teeth. We custom design every single tooth using advanced CAD software. In addition to fully customized teeth, digital dentures have also been scientifically proven to be the best fitting and most accurate. Our milling machines are 100 times more accurate than a human hair. If you ever lose your denture or need it replaced, we can ship you a new one anywhere in the world. This is simply not possible when dentures are made the old way. In some cases, zero impression material is needed. That's right, no more gagging on impression material. The speed of digital dentistry also greatly reduces turnaround time. Your digital dentures will be ready in a fraction of the time. Best of all, there is no additional cost. That's right, Perfit digital dentures cost the same as regular dentures. Welcome to your new dental experience, where the most advanced technology creates your perfect fit every time.
Well, I guess it's because of Perfit that I have a smile that has made me very confident. And I remember giving Laura a hug and Dr. White a hug, and they're just the most amazing people. It was just, I can almost cry now, I better not. But it was amazing, just amazing.